This is my student support system. Keep watching, keep learning.
What is reproduction? Reproduction is the process of producing offspring, and human reproduction is a sexual reproduction which needs two types of systems: male reproductive system and female reproductive system. In today's lecture, we will discuss about male reproductive system. The organs of male reproductive system includes the testes, a system of ducts, accessory sex glands, several supporting structures including scrotum and penis. Now we will discuss these organs one by one. First is scrotum. Scrotum is a pouch-like structure made up of skin, subcutaneous tissue, and muscles which holds the testes. The scrotum looks like a single pouch of the skin, but it is separated into lateral portions by a median ridge known as raphe. Internally, the scrotal septum divides the scrotum into two sacs. So this is septum and these are two sacs of the scrotum. Each contains a single testis. The septum is made up of subcutaneous layer or tissue and muscle, which is called dartos muscle. The dartos muscle, which is a type of smooth muscle, is also found in the subcutaneous layer of the scrotum here. So this is dartos muscle and here also dartos muscle. The cremaster muscle is a series of small bands of skeletal muscle that descend as an extension of the internal oblique muscle through the spermatic cord and surrounds the testis. So here it is cremaster muscle. The location of scrotum, that is, it lies outside the body or pelvic cavity, and the muscular action of the dartos and cremaster muscle, they help to regulate the temperature of the testis. Normal sperm production requires the temperature below the body temperature, means 2 to 3 degree less than the body temperature. In response to cold temperature, the cremaster and dartos muscle contract, and due to contraction of these muscles, the testes move closer to the body and they absorb body heat. The contraction of dartos muscle causes scrotum to become tight and wrinkled in appearance, which reduces the heat loss. And during warm weather or warm season, the process is reversed. Relaxation of dartos muscle leads to loosen the tightness of the scrotum and testes move away from the body, and due to disappearance of wrinkles, the heat loss is permitted. Now we come to the testes. The testes or testicles, these are paired oval organs or oval glands in the scrotum measuring about 5 cm long, 2 to 5 cm in diameter. Each testis has a mass of about 10 to 15 grams. The testes originally develop near the kidneys in the posterior portion of abdomen, and they usually begin to descend in the scrotum through inguinal canal during the later half of the 7th month of fetal life. A serous membrane called tunica vaginalis partially covers the testes. So here it is the tunica vaginalis, this layer, this covers the testes. Internal to the tunica vaginalis, there is a white fibrous capsule composed of dense, irregular connective tissue known as tunica albuginea. So this is tunica albuginea. It extends inward, forming the septa that divides testes into a series of columns or compartments known as lobules. Each of the 200 to 300 lobules contain 1 to 3 tightly coiled tubules, which are called seminiferous tubules, where sperms are produced. The process by which the seminiferous tubules of the testes produce sperm is called spermatogenesis. The seminiferous tubules contain two types of cells: spermatogenic cells or spermatogonia, which are the sperm forming cells, and another one is Sertoli cells, which have several functions for supporting the spermatogenesis. Spermatogonia, which remains dormant during the childhood and actively begin producing the sperm at puberty.
My student support system. Keep watching, keep learning.